So, real simple little fix. The one problem that, of course, we knew was going to happen is it sticks out, you know, what is that, an inch more than it usually does. Because normally that would be bolted right to there. So there are some things I could do, like just cut this bracket down and get a smaller bolt. That would bring it in a little bit if I need to. Kind of wait and see how it all turns out. But anyway, so that's it. There's 2 bolts on the inside. Screw it in, and then when you're done, unscrew it. 2 bolts and you got a bag. 2 undone bolts and you have a non-bag. Have to try it out, see how it works. Anyway, looks cool.